move to the next subject, which is footwork, foot actions. So for the Samba, movements with the bounce, which have timing 1, 2, you have to move your feet extremely fast. For example, in Botafogo, 1, so this foot is a medium speed, but this one is extremely fast. 2, and I like to bring this like fast as well. So as you know, faster your feet arrive, more clarity you have of the rhythm, of the timing. So the feet should arrive very fast. But when you have a timing in Samba is extremely fast. So let's say if we do whisk, we have 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And even though we're working now on the feet, make sure it's all come from the body. So don't try to dance with the feet, even though they have to be very precise and very fast, and very accurate. Okay, so point number 1 for the feet, arrive fast to your step, fast arrival. Point number 2 is the landing of the feet. So let's say if I'm dancing here and I'm going to that fast Latin cross, the landing of the cushion of that heel is extremely important. It's also part of the footwork. The landing, so it's not like in Paso Doble, it doesn't have that clunk. Samba is very absorbed, very cushion dance for the feet. And cushion with your feet. Now here, the next point, when you do Botafogo, the footwork is ball of the foot only. There is no heel transferring. So here you have a ball heel with the cushion, very fast ball, only keep the ball of the foot. And now on this like ball heel. So you have 3 steps, but 2 cushions, because one of the steps doesn't have a heel. So you have to train a very high ball of the foot with inside edge to control it. So this is the footwork.